What if you could take a simple $10 bill and flip it into $1,000, or maybe even more? Sounds impossible. Most people think that way. They believe investing needs big bucks or some genius level strategy. But here is the truth. Anyone can start with almost nothing. While most people sit on the sidelines, convinced it is too hard, others are quietly flipping pocket change into real profits. The clock is ticking, and every moment you hesitate, someone else is getting richer. Today, I am showing you exactly how to turn $10 into $1,000 using a simple method anyone can follow. Let us get started. Start small, think big. Most people think you need thousands of dollars to start investing, but that's not true. You can begin with just $10. The secret is to start small, but have big goals. When you start with $10, you're not just investing money, you're building a habit. This small step makes investing less scary and more manageable. Think of your $10 as the seed of a tree. It may look tiny now, but with time and care, it can grow into something huge. Many successful investors began with small amounts, slowly growing their money over time. The key is not to focus on the amount you start with, but on the potential to grow it. Remember, every big journey starts with a small step. Don't wait for the perfect moment or a large sum to begin. Start with what you have, even if it's just $10. Keep your eyes on the big picture, and your small start can turn into a $1,000 or more. This mindset is the first and most important trick in turning a tiny investment into a large gain. Let compounding work its magic. If there is one thing every investor swears by, it is compounding. It sounds boring, but it is pure financial magic. Here is how it works. You earn a profit on your $10, and instead of spending it, you reinvest it. Next time, you are making money not just on your original 10, but on the profit too. It keeps stacking again and again. Imagine you earn 10%. That takes your 10 to 11. Next round, you earn on 11, not 10. Sounds small. Give it time, and it snowballs into something massive. This is why compounding is called the eighth wonder of the world. But here is the catch. It takes patience. Compounding is slow at first, almost invisible. But stay in the game, and the growth gets faster and bigger. It rewards those who stick around. So, no matter how tiny your start, trust compounding. Do not pull your money out too soon. Reinvest and watch how small amounts can quietly explode into serious cash. Choose low, cost, high, return investments. To turn $10 into $1,000, you need to pick the right investments. The best choice is low-cost options that can give you good returns over time. High fees can eat away your profits, so keeping costs low is very important, especially when starting small. One popular choice is index funds or exchange-traded funds (ETFs). These funds track the whole market or a group of companies and usually have low fees. They offer steady growth because they spread your money across many stocks, reducing risk. With just $10, you can start buying small shares through apps or platforms that allow fractional investing. Another option is peer-to-peer lending or micro-investing apps, where you lend small amounts to people or businesses and earn interest. These platforms often require low minimum investments and can offer higher returns compared to traditional savings accounts. Always research before investing and avoid high-risk schemes that promise quick riches. The goal is steady growth with minimal fees. By choosing the right low-cost, high-return investments, you give your $10 the best chance to multiply into $1,000. This smart choice is a key step in your simple investment trick. Reinvest earnings wisely. One of the most important secrets to growing your $10 into $1,000 is to reinvest your earnings instead of spending them. When you make profits from your investments, whether from dividends, interest, or selling assets at a gain, put that money back into your investment. This way, your money keeps working harder and grows faster over time. Think of reinvesting as feeding your money tree. Every time you add the extra earnings, the tree gets bigger and produces even more fruit next time. If you take out your earnings and spend them, your investment stops growing and loses the chance to multiply. It's easy to get tempted to use your profits for other things, but discipline is key here. The power of reinvesting is what drives compounding, the secret weapon for turning small amounts into big returns. So, whenever you get earnings, no matter how small, put them right back in. This smart habit accelerates your growth and moves you closer to that $1,000 goal. Reinvesting wisely is a simple but powerful trick every investor must follow to make their money grow faster. Embrace smart risk taking. To turn $10 into $1,000, you must be willing to take some risks, but smartly. Playing it too safe won't grow your money much, but risking everything blindly can lead to big losses. The key is finding a balance. Start by learning about different investment types and their risks. Stocks, for example, can give higher returns but also have ups and downs. Bonds and savings accounts are safer but grow slowly. With $10, focus on investments that offer good potential without extreme risk. Diversify your money. Don't put all $10 into one place. Spread it across a few options to reduce risk. Also, avoid scams or get-rich-quick schemes. They promise big profits but often fail. Smart risk-taking means being patient, doing your homework, and making informed decisions. By embracing this balanced approach, you increase your chances to grow your small investment into $1,000 without losing it all. It's a vital step in the simple investment trick that can change your financial future. Leverage market trends to grow your $10 into $1,000. It helps to understand and use market trends. Markets move in cycles, sometimes rising, sometimes falling, and smart investors take advantage of these changes. By learning how to spot trends, you can make better decisions about when to buy or sell. For example, during a market upswing, prices often go higher, so investing early can increase your profits. In a downturn, prices may drop, offering a chance to buy good investments at a lower cost. Timing isn't about guessing perfectly, but about being aware and ready to act wisely. Use simple tools like news, financial reports, or investment apps that highlight market trends. Follow trusted sources to stay informed about industries or companies that are growing fast. Also, consider sectors with long-term potential like technology or green energy. By leveraging market trends, you increase your chances of growing your small investment faster. It's about being smart, observant, and ready to act, all part of the simple investment trick that can turn $10 into $1,000 over time. Stay consistent and patient. The final and most important step to turn $10 into $1,000 is to stay consistent and patient. Investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time for your money to grow, especially when you start small. The key is to keep investing regularly, no matter how little you start with. Consistency means adding to your investment whenever you can, even if it's just a few extra dollars. This steady effort builds your investment over time and speeds up growth through compounding. Skipping investments or withdrawing money too soon can slow your progress. Remember, the journey from $10 to $1,000 is about building good habits, making smart choices, and giving your money time to work. With consistency and patience, you can turn a small start into a big success. This mindset completes the simple investment trick that anyone can follow. Patience is even bigger. Markets go up, markets go down. That is normal. The winners are the ones who hold on and ride out the bumps. Remember, this is not a sprint, it is a marathon. Stick with your plan, trust the process, and give your investments time to work their magic. That is how you turn a tiny start into a giant success story. So, what is stopping you from starting with just $10? You do not need a trust fund or a finance degree. All you need is the guts to start, the patience to stick with it, and the smarts to keep learning. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join our growing community. Now, tell me, what's stopping you from starting with just $10 today? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't miss our next video.